How to connect HP Deskjet 2700 to Wi-Fi. Method 1. Using HP Smart App. Step 1. Download and install HP Smart App in your mobile phone or PC. Step 2. Next, turn on your HP Deskjet printer and go to Printer's control panel. Step 3. Now, press and hold the wireless and cancel button together for about 3 seconds and then release both buttons. Step 4. The power button will flash for a short time and then stay lit, and the wireless button will start blinking. That means the printer is in setup mode. Step 5. Now go to your HP Smart App and click on the plus sign or Add Printer. Step 6. The HP Smart App will start searching for the available printer. Step 7. Now, select your printer and click on Continue. Step 8. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Connect. Step 9. The connection process might take some time. After that, you'll need to press the information button on the printer. Step 10. After some time, you will see your printer has successfully connected to Wi-Fi. And then click Continue to start printing. Method 2. Using WPS button. Step 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi router has a WPS button. Step 2. Next, turn on your HP Deskjet printer and go to Printer's control panel. Step 3. Press and hold the wireless button for a few seconds until it starts blinking. Step 4. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. Step 5. When the connection is successful, the wireless button will turn solid blue. Step 6. Do a test print. If it prints out smoothly, you're all good to go. And that's it, you have successfully connected your HP Deskjet 2700 printer to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.